Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and if I'm a little hard to understand, it's just the disease process messing with the tissues in my mouth, making it harder to pronounce words and say words clearly. So please bear with me, I apologize. Okay, so here we have a video I took of Christmas lights. And so say we're going to add a piece of music here. Here's my music. And bring it there. Now say the music works good. It just works absolutely perfect for this. Let's just play it through. This isn't really a good piece to show you on, but anyways, say your video is all edited, all done the way you want it, but the music, the chorus doesn't end till right about here. And it has a perfect spot to end my video. What do? Well, no big deal. Swoop, and do that. Split the excess. Now, there's two different ways of doing this. One, you can time stretch it. You can just grab onto it with control. Time stretch it out, but that will slow the video down. So say you don't want to do that. What to do is go to Media Generators. Make sure you got solid color. Pick a solid color, pick black. Okay, now let's do insert. Video track. I'm going to put something on top of this. Anyways, so here we got your video playing. Do crossfade so it doesn't look so harsh. It's fading out. Line them up. Okay, so now we've got the back clip. You can add some text in there, or head over to Production Crate and get some media. So here we have, let me set it away. You know, so you don't see it in my recording software in the way. No, let's import it. Import. Okay, so I just drag and drop this to the track above it. Now to make this thing visible, right now it looks alright because it's on a black background. But what you do to make it work is you left click in the clip, right click, properties, media, alpha channel, straight and matter. Now it'll work. So here's your video. Just an example of what to do with video that just isn't long enough for your awesome video track. And these are video tracks, and this video FX and soundtrack was from Production Crate. I'll put a link below. You can get a free account with them and start downloading today. Hey guys, if you found this video helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Thanks, patrons, and a special shout-out to Ron's best friends, Benjamin R. Price and Natty Design Studio. You can be here too. Link below.